Hello everybody, BentlyK here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video is a Hot Flash and Wrinkles Makeup Monday video. But we are not doing a foundation today. I got my new Contoversy palette from Jeffree Star and Shane Dawson, and I just couldn't wait to use it. So that's what we're reviewing today. If you haven't seen it, then you live under a rock because it's been out there everywhere. But I just got mine, so I just wanted you to see it and I just wanted to review it, even though I knew it was going to be good because I did get the Conspiracy palette earlier, but we still haven't even hardly touched that one yet. We got to get busy, huh? So anyways, that's what we're reviewing today, this one. So if you want to see how I got this eye look, very festive, don't you think? Stay tuned. Okay guys, let's get started. I am going to start off by I'm going to use this NYX eyeshadow base, and it is in white because I really want this look to pop, so I'm trying to get rid of any color on my eye. And I would use my finger if I didn't have these long nails on. So I'm just going to use this brush to put it on with. And it is white. I'm actually going to use this brush and then I'm going to use my sponge just to spread it around. I'm super excited to try out this palette. I think it's going to be a beautiful look. Soften that up a little bit. So I'm just going to tap this on with a brush. Cut out my brow a little bit. And then go back in with my sponge to blend. Just to make sure I got it in all the wrinkles, because we don't want any pre-existing wrinkles before we start. I mean, other than what we can't help. Okay. Nice and white. That's what we wanted. Well, it looks a little dark right there, huh? Maybe I think it's just because this eye is deeper. That's good enough. Okay. So I'm not going to list everything I have on my face. I mean, I am going to list it below. I'm not going to go through it with you. Okay, so now we're going to go into the Conspiracy palette, and we are going to start off with the color Exposed right here. So we're going to take just a fluffy brush. This is a Morphe M505, and we're just going to go in the crease. Probably should have set that NYX stuff first, but hopefully this will set it. This is just kind of a lavendery color. We're having purple eyes, in case I forgot to tell you. And I just want to go in and blend, 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 and I'm going in pretty light so that I can go back and build it up. And then I'm going to pull it up out here. And then I'm going to go underneath. And then I just want to pull it up. Next, I'm going to take my Sigma E45 and I'm going to go into Conspiracy, which is this color right here. And I'm just going to put that in the crease, lower than what I just used. I actually need it not so close. And I'm just going to start off with it a light touch. This is such a pretty color. And I'm going to put it in the outer corner also. And then I'm going to take this brush. See how it got kind of up there? This is the brush from the exposed color. And just soften that up a little. And then go back in with more purple. And then I'm going to take the same brush and go in the bottom lash line. I'm just going back up here to get some of it off before I go down below. Then I'm going to pull it up. And then I'm going to take this lighter color brush with a little bit on it and blend all that in so that it just has seamless. And then I'm going to go back in with this Flat Earth right here. It's almost white, but it's not. It's blue. And I'm going to put that over my lid. Okay, I'm going to go in with, this is a Sigma E55 into that Flat Earth. And I'm just going to pack this on the inner half. I'm not sure if this is going to work without putting concealer underneath it. Oh yeah, it looks pretty good. I think it looks good. I'm going to take this fluffy brush and go over these edges just to blend it. I need some more down here. near the lash line. I think it looks good. Okay, now I'm going to go in with, this is just an e.l.f. brush. It doesn't have a name or anything, but it's just a kind of a little bit dense. And I'm going to go into this color, the Simulation, which is this darker blue. And I'm just going to pop a little bit of this right in the outer corner. Just a wee bit. And I'm going to take the brush I used for the light color, Exposed, and just blend that together. Nice and seamless. Just like that. Now I'm going to take this flat brush and I'm going to go into the Conspiracy, which is that purple, the darker purple, and I'm just going to put it on the lower lash line. Right up against the lashes. This is definitely a festive look, but I love this palette so far. I love this purple. It's so pretty. It's almost fuchsia, but it's a little more purpley than fuchsia. So now we're going to go back. We're going to go into the Conspiracy palette just for a moment. And I am going to use it, if I can figure out where I put it, for my eyeliner. Oh, I was going to show you guys too the box. This is the box that it came in. Oops. And this is the palette, the outside of the palette. I don't know if I showed you guys or not. And it came with this card, and this shows the Conspiracy and the Controversy palette, and then it came in this nice pink box. So I left that out to show to you. Okay, now what was I going to do? Oh, I was looking for the Conspiracy palette. Here is the Conspiracy palette. I'm going to use the black in here for my eyeliner, because this one and the Tarte one, they're just so good. But since I'm using, you know, Shane's palette, I might as well use his other palette for our liner. And I'm using my paintbrush that I cut. I bought a paintbrush. It's actually a set of 2 paintbrushes. This is even the wrong one. But I got them at Hobby Lobby. They were very stiff and very thin, and they were flat, and I just cut them. So this is the one I want to use. It's smaller. And I'm going into my right is here. My right's here. It's not is. And it's the black one. And I'm just going to line my eyes with it so that I can get it down into the lash line, so I don't have to push line with when I do this. And then I'm going to pull it up into a wing, just a little bit of a wing. Draw that back straight across. Give that eye some lift. And then I'm going to take a smudgy brush. There it is. And I'm just going to smudge that a little bit. Just like that. Okay, now I'm gonna go off camera and do my mascara, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. This is our festive look for our holiday gatherings. I'm not going anywhere, but you know, I just wanted you to know this is what you can do with the new Controversy palette from Jeffree Star and Shane Dawson. It is so beautiful. I love this look. I think it's gorgeous. So what I did when I went off camera, I added my lashes. I used my Legendary Lash from Charlotte Tilbury. I really want to try the Thrive Cosmetics that is available in Ulta, but it's only available in store and it's not available in my store. So I haven't been able to get that yet, but I really want to try that because I've heard it's really good. So anyways, but I'm using this one right now because I got it. I did go back and clean up these edges, but I didn't use concealer. I just used my Cake Bake sponge from Sephora and my It Cosmetics powder. And I just, as you can see right there, I just dipped it in there and then I just go like that. And then I take my finger and smooth it out on both sides. And that is all I did. I put a little more lipstick on because I think I had eaten it. Other than that, that is it. This is our beautiful festive look. This is, you know, extra. So we'll be mostly doing foundations and concealers on Hot Flash and Wrinkles Monday, but today for the holidays I just wanted to do this gorgeous eye and test out this new palette, and I am giving it a total thumbs up. It is beautiful, and I'm pretty sure we're gonna do these 4 colors next time because they seem like they're gonna be beautiful. I don't know. It just, I love it. It blends so nicely. It looks good. Even on my old wrinkly eyes, because sometimes it's really hard to blend. Even with ones that blend pretty good, it's just, you got to pull your eyes straight. You know, you got to stretch out those wrinkles to get the blend going. And then when you let go, it's too condensed in spots. So it's really hard. But this one did really well because I didn't have to pull very much. I just had to, you know, you still have to get the wrinkles out because otherwise you're going to have a line. There's no doubt about it. But I think it turned out really well. I love it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave and hit that little notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos. And I will see you in my next video. Mwah!